So just for a quick review, these are the three equations that you need to know. For point-slope form, it is y minus y1 equals mx minus x1. Your slope-intercept form, we should know this one as y equals mx plus b. And your standard form of an equation is ax plus by equals c. Those are the three equations that we have to work with. Okay, point-slope form. This one's very easy once you know what everything is dealing with. You have the coordinate 1, 2, and your slope is -3. So you're going to substitute it. This 1 is your x1, and the 2 is your y1. So your y, and your x always stay the same. Your slope is coming from this piece here. So y minus y1, which in this case is 2, equals your slope, -3, x minus x sub 1, which is 1 in this case. So your y and your x are always there, and we filled everything else in for what we need. And that's it. That is the point-slope form of an equation. So now we're going to take this equation and we're going to transform it into slope-intercept form. What I'm going to do is just rewrite it first into this column. And I'm going to get it to where it says y equals mx plus b. Now, this is just essentially simplifying an equation. So what are some things that I could do first? Well, first, I could distribute. So I have y minus 2 equals -3 times x, which is just -3x. -3 times a -1, which is a +3. Okay, now if you notice in your equation, I have y by itself, and that's what I want to do here. So I want to get y by itself. In order to do that, I want to move this 2 over. And I'm going to do that by adding 2 to both sides. I'm going to write it over on this side underneath the 3 because I can't combine it with a -3x. So I'm left with y equals -3x plus 5. And there we go. There is my slope-intercept form. So you could see very easily from here that your slope is -3, which we already knew, but you're also to say that your y-intercept is 0, 5. Okay, so now we want to take this equation and put it into standard form. So I'm going to rewrite it at the top. Y equals -3x plus 5. In order to do this, you see that your y is already here on the left. I also need to move my x over to my left. So in order to do that, I'm going to add 3x to both sides. I can't combine that with y, so I'm left with 3x plus y equals 5. And there you have it. So I've got 3x plus y equals 5. I have y equals -3x plus 5. And I have y minus 2 equals -3x minus 1. If I were to graph each one of those lines, it would graph the exact same way. It would literally look like the same exact line. And that's how you do it. And so we're going to do a few more together.